Hey guys, Nick Drossos and welcome to Code Red Defense. We got a question, is Nick, how do I counter a punch? So the first thing is, like, when you look at, this is why it's important to spar and to do certain exercises and drills. To know, one, how to take a punch, to know how to take a punch, to know how to roll with a punch. It's happened to me where I got hit, and as I got hit, boom, I just rolled with it, right? So come over here so you can see. So if I do this, and he goes boom, and I roll, as I roll, my hands right away come up, and then I strike immediately, right? So the idea is that, let's say my hands are down and he sucker punches me, and he goes boom, and I do this, right away I come in, I trap, and I come in with the elbow. The idea is that if I'm getting hit, that means he's in close quarter range. That means he's in my range at some point. He's not doing this. So if he hit, so let's say I got here and he nailed me with something, and he went boom, I'll turn. If I roll with the punch, my next move should not be let me step back and let him wind up another one. If I'm here and I screw up, he does this, boom, boom, I'm coming in right away. Right? Same thing, if he nailed me with this hand here and I did this and he went boom, bam, I'm stepping in right away. Right? So we have this video. Which drill do we have where we're rolling with the punches? I think it's this
common attacks.
Yeah, common attacks where I'm standing here and Pat's basically just slowly hitting me in all the angles, and I'm just looking at the punches and I'm rolling with them. And then it gets harder, and then we put on the gloves. And this is a great drill for you to just, one, not flinch, two, look at the punch, three, learn how to roll with it. That, shit happens in the street. I've been sucker punched. I've been teaching this shit for years, and I got sucker punched, and, I remember, boom, when that freaking hit me, I didn't see it coming. I didn't even have time to roll with it, but I have been hit, where I saw the punch, and as the punch came, he went boom, and he did this, and because I rolled with it, I took half the impact, and it wasn't like here. I went whoop, I turned, boom, right away I clinched it, and I made sure I didn't give him a second punch. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, guys, we're just grazing the surface. Go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have an entire collection of videos downloadable. We'll put the link that we just talked about so you guys can see the drill. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.